Wow, this street is bad. Okay. Okay, this is a separate clip for this side street. Okay, this is for a residential neighborhood, this is pretty bad. I don't know what's the name of it. Are you gonna hear or go ahead? Okay, a moment. All right. All right, this side street is really bad. What the heck? City of Toronto, get your act together. All right. Whoa. Kintyre Avenue and Broadview Avenue in Toronto, Riverside neighborhood. I called 311 Toronto to request for the street Kintyre Avenue to be repaired. Full street needs to be replaced. I will follow up in about a week or two to see if any work has been started or completed, so stay tuned.